The icy breath of the north whispers tales, ancient tales carried on the wind, tales of fierce warriors, powerful gods, and mythical beasts that roam the land. This is the world of the Vikings, a world of endless exploration and discovery, a world of honor, courage, and adventure where every journey was a test of bravery, a world where myth and reality intertwined seamlessly, creating a rich tapestry of culture. Imagine a world of fjords, carved by giants, standing as silent witnesses to history, a world lit by the ethereal glow of the aurora borealis, painting the sky with colors. This is where the Vikings thrived, building communities and forging legacies. Their lives, governed by the will of the gods, were filled with rituals and reverence. Their destinies, woven into the fabric of fate, were inscribed in runes and symbols. These were not gods of marble statues and distant heavens, but of the earth and sea. These were gods of flesh and blood who shared in the triumphs and sorrows of their people. Gods who walked among men, guiding and protecting them. Gods who fought, loved, and bled, embodying the very essence of life. Their stories, passed down through generations, kept the spirit of the Vikings alive. Told around crackling fires as the wind howled outside, these are their legends, echoing through time.
Odin's thirst for knowledge knew no bounds. He was relentless in his pursuit of wisdom, always seeking more. He sought wisdom in the whispers of ravens, those mystical birds that carried secrets from all corners of the world. In the depths of Mimir's well, he found profound insights and hidden truths. He yearned to understand the fate of the world, to see beyond the veil of time and destiny. To prepare for the inevitable Ragnarok, the end of all things, he needed every bit of knowledge and foresight. His hall, Valhalla, awaited fallen warriors, a place of honor and glory. Those deemed worthy by the Valkyries, the choosers of the slain, would find their place there. In Valhalla, they would feast and fight, honing their skills for the final battle. Preparing for the final battle, the ultimate confrontation, Odin, the All-Father, King of Asgard, a figure of immense power and wisdom, a god of wisdom, war and death. His presence commanded respect and fear. One-eyed, he sacrificed much for knowledge, giving up his eye for a drink from Mimir's well. He hung himself from Yggdrasil, the world tree, for 9 days and nights, enduring great pain. Pierced by his own spear, he offered himself as a sacrifice, all to gain the wisdom of the runes, the ancient symbols of power and knowledge, unlocking secrets of the universe.
Thor, son of Odin. Born in the heart of Asgard, he was destined for greatness from the very beginning. God of thunder, lightning, and strength, his power was unmatched, and his presence commanded respect and awe. Protector of Asgard and Midgard, the realm of men. He stood as a guardian, ever watchful, ever ready to defend against any threat. His hammer, Mjolnir, a symbol of his power. Forged in the heart of a dying star, it was a weapon of immense might.
Thor, the mighty warrior, rode a chariot pulled by goats. These goats, Tangrisnir and Tangenjoster, were as fierce as their master. His battles against the giants shook the very foundations of the world. Each clash was a testament to his indomitable spirit and strength. He defended Asgard and Midgard from chaos. His vigilance ensured the safety of both realms, keeping the forces of darkness at bay. His strength, a source of comfort and fear. To his allies, he was a beacon of hope. To his enemies, a harbinger of doom. One myth tells of Thor's journey to Jotunheim, land of the giants. It was a perilous quest, filled with danger and uncertainty, to retrieve his stolen hammer. Without Mjolnir, the balance of power was at risk, and Thor would stop at nothing to reclaim it. Disguised as the goddess Freya, he tricked the giant king, Thrym. His cunning was as formidable as his strength. A tale of cunning and brute force, it reveals Thor's unwavering might. This story, like many others, showcases the true essence of the god of thunder.
He helped the gods in their endeavors, yet he was also responsible for the death of Balder, the beloved god of light. His children, monstrous creatures like the wolf Fenrir and the serpent Jormungandr, would play pivotal roles in Ragnarok. Loki, a constant reminder that even in the divine, darkness can lurk. S3, Loki, the trickster god, god of mischief, fire and magic, a master of disguise and deception. My actions often brought chaos, but sometimes unexpectedly, good. My cunning mind is a double-edged sword. I can be helpful and destructive.
I would face Jormungandr. Narrator: Ragnarok, the doom of the gods, a cataclysmic prophecy, a final battle that would consume all. The world would be reborn from the ashes. In this final conflict, gods and giants would clash.
Fenrir would break free and devour me.
The world would be consumed by fire and flood, yet from the ashes of the old world, a new one would emerge. A world of peace and harmony. Ragnarok, a reminder of the cyclical nature of time, a promise of renewal and rebirth. The Vikings are gone, their world, a memory, but their myths resonate. In our language, our art, our very understanding of the world, the names of the days of the week, a testament to their gods. Wednesday, Thor's Day, Friday, Freya's Day. Their stories retold and reimagined, in books, movies, and video games. The Vikings may be gone, but their legends live on, a testament to the power of storytelling, a reminder of the enduring strength of myth.